Attention to education matters, and are schools around the country going to be closed? Well, that's what many are waiting to see today when Basic Education Minister Lindokuhle will be holding a briefing. In Gauteng, there have been close to 1,000 new COVID-19 infections in schools just this past week. The Provincial Education Department saying the total number of school-related cases is nearing 5,000. But Teachers Union Sadtu says it is encouraged that teachers will get vaccinated soon. So what is the latest? Here's Lindokuhle Xulu with the story.
Gauteng schools are getting hit hard by the third COVID-19 wave. The latest statistics paint a grim picture.
2,800 learners that are positive, educators about 1,500, and you have overall 4,700 total.
There's been close to 1,000 new cases in a week. Despite this, the department says schools shouldn't be closed and has a warning for those who force schools to shut down.
We just want to caution parents, even if they are not political parties, there are parents that will say they want to go to a school and disrupt. You don't need to do that because we are talking a future of our children here.
Mabona says any more delays will hamper efforts to recover time lost during the closure of schools in the second wave. Meanwhile, Teachers Union Sadtu says the news of the vaccines for teachers is encouraging, but says all staff need to get the jab.
300,000 on its own might not be adequate because there is far much more employees within the education sector. For instance, we still have got an additional 320,000 education assistants and general assistants. We also still have got an additional education support personnel that have been in the system already.
The health department says more vaccines will be allocated.
Fortunately, the next consignment of vaccine is due next week. It's also from a similar source in the United States, and it is also on a short expiry date, which is why we are accelerating this program over such a short space of time.
Education MECs in the country are set to meet with Minister Lindokuhle soon to discuss their response to the rising number of cases at schools. Lindokuhle Xulu, Johannesburg.